everyone, I am Mahima Solanki, an MBA Finance student from Pune Institute of Business Management, batch 2025. And I am thrilled to announce that I have secured a placement with an esteemed organization, eClerx Private Limited. My journey here at our college PIBM was truly transformative. While my background was in English literature, but the business orientation program introduced me to the world of finance. Further, my participation in the group dance and the cultural events significantly helped me boost my confidence and motivating me to face the public. The experience of performing on stage in front of large number of audience helped me overcome my fear of public speaking and developed a sense of self-assurance. Additionally, my first corporate experience came through the Winter Internship program, where I entered into the world of finance and learned about valuation and financial modeling. Further, the Summer Internship program helped me dive deeper into the financial world, gaining valuable insights and practical skills. So my experience at our college PIBM have ignited a lifelong passion for finance, and I'm eager to continue my professional growth and achieve greater success in the future.